Hello and welcome. Once the pea plants have stopped producing new flowers, it's time to save a few seeds for the next season. The pods turn pale green and slowly change color to almost pale white pods. Soon, the pods dry out and have papery feel. At this stage, they should be collected and allowed to dry. The seeds come out easily from the dried pods. They are kept in a Ziploc bag in a dry place away from direct light. They are then grown in the next season, and a free supply of delicious peas continues. Hope you have enjoyed this short video. Do leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.